Hello friends, it's Danny here, and I am super excited to share a little unboxing of the Crafty Crew Kit for November 2025 from the Crafty Stamp Co. My first official video as a team member, so I'm super excited. One thing before I wanted to share before I opened it. I love they personalized this seal on other purchases that I've made. It says thank you for your purchase, Danny, or something. But I like this. Thank you for joining the crew, Danny. It's just those little touches that, I don't know, to me mean a lot. It's very thoughtful. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have coming up. And then I'll tell you all the good stuff. So when you open it up, it looks like this. Get a little postcard about the virtual retreat, which is July 23rd through 2026, I believe. Yeah. No, it's July 23rd through the 26th in 2026. Lots of information about that. I'm sure that would be an amazing event. And then there is the little kit. Before I open it up, well, no, let's open it and then I'll tell you all the good stuff. So you get this nice little bag. I like that it's just a cute little size. I really like it. Little mesh bag. You get another postcard. Says thank you. Has a little QR code so you can find all the inspiration and all their socials, all the things. All right, let's get into it. First, there is a stencil. Let me see if I can take that out. Do I have a piece of paper here that I can share? This looks like super cute. That doesn't really show it, does it? Did not think this through before I started. Oh, it kind of shows it through on my black mat. So it is, what is it called? The Lots of Knits. And it is very cool. I can't wait to play with that. And then there are two stamp sets. This first one, isn't she pretty? Is called Fall Weather Meadow. Can't wait to use her. And then if you've been on Crafty Stamp Co.'s website, or you've been in their group or seen their inspiration, they have Positive Tate, which is the cutest little potato. Well, this is Mallow Marcia, because she's a little marshmallow. So adorable. And then there is this gorgeous paper pack, Fall Weather. And I love that you get a sleeve to put the paper in. So that is super handy and nice. Let's take a peek at all of these. Look at those beautiful colors. Ooh, I like that. And there's some textured looking. Ooh, I like the trees. There's another one. And they are double-sided, so let's flip it over and see. Ooh, I like that with the book and the pumpkin. Pretty colors. And then coffee. And then some pretty colors. So, such a pretty paper pack. And then for subscribers, you get a little embellishment if you're a subscriber. And this month it is some ribbon, which will go very nicely. So, love that I have a little cheat sheet that tells all the good stuff so I don't forget anything. I will also have it linked in the description box below. So, to sign up for the Crafty Crew Kit or to purchase it for one time, that's a pre-order event from October 1st through the 15th. I did kind of peek, and it's already on the site, so you can pre-order it now. It does not ship until November 5th, so even though you're ordering it now, it does not ship until November 5th, so that's an important thing to remember. I like to look at it as you get a little gift, because maybe you get busy and you forgot you ordered it, and then poof, there it is, so it's super fun. It is a bi-monthly subscription. If you do the subscription, it's a 35% discount off the retail prices. Shipping is included. You get the embellishment, which this month is that pretty ribbon. And then a 10% discount code for non-subscription orders. and it's $45.99. And like I already said, it's between October 1st and the 15th. So make sure you go on over and order before the 15th, because sometimes they bring them back the next year, sometimes they don't. So you'd hate to miss out. If you just want to get it as a one-time deal, you get a 15% discount off of retail prices. The shipping is included, and it's $54.99. But you would not get that pretty ribbon. So again, there's the Fall Weather Meadow, which is a 4x6 stamp set, and the matching SVGs. There is the Fall Weather 6x6 pattern paper with the sleeve. There's the Mellow Marshmallow, Mellow Marsha. It's Fall 4x6 stamp set, the matching SVGs, and then the Lots of Knits 6x6 stencil. And then if you are a subscriber, you get that pretty ribbon. So that is a look at the new November 2025 Crafty Crew Kit. Again, it's a pre-order now through October 15th. Everything will be linked in the description box below. And I will be back to share several projects using this kit. I'm so excited. I can't wait to color, especially like her holding her coffee. She's got all these little accessories. And then the Mellow Marsha, the little marshmallow. Love the one pulling the little wagon. And the stencil. I think that would be fun to do in lots of different colors. I don't know, I'll have to play around. So yeah, so like I said, I will be back to share more, to share projects using this kit. Excuse me. Don't forget to head on over and order before October 15th. And it does not ship until November 5th, 2025. So great value, super cute. I can't wait to share more with you. But until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye now.